Okay, in here it's a live data sheet here, so I need all the price listed here, how much the higher lower current price, like that. In here dividend chart here, so today I'm going to show you how to link this entire total different sheet here. You can say dividend sheet here. It's going to market like that. And here I need to get the price here from this sheet, this workbook. We call market workbook here. So I'm going to use a VLOOKUP. Before you use the VLOOKUP, you just need to read the name it of the table. Otherwise, you have to come every time come here and select like that. And for that one, I just select like this. It's come to just select it whole tray like that and name it as a name table like that. And I selected in here this one called live table. So unfortunately, I just change to 2 times here. Live table, where is it? Live table like that. It's automatically selected this table. For in future, I'm going to use it like that. Table name, that means table name. Live table mean I'm going to use the entire array like that. In here normal VLOOKUP, you have to open those files at the same time. Normal VLOOKUP, I'm going to use it like that. VLOOKUP, and this one live table and 1 2 1 2 2. I just mark it on 2 and true or false. So I just make it on 0. Okay, price will come here. So why is coming negative? Non-negative. Okay, let me check why it's come negative. Amana and Amana bank, but price okay, but I have no idea why it come negative. Say account and okay, maybe I just put 1 here. So it's still negative, so maybe okay, I found it in here. So it's 0, and here I already mark it down in here. You can see it here clearly, it's a negative mark. So this kind of typo you have to watch out. So now it's okay, but before that I just select it and all the negative. That one, why is coming like that? For that one you have to change. Still I getting like that error message. For that one you have to change it like that. And here true. Now it's okay. All the price still I didn't figure things out why it's coming food like the title also is getting price tag here. So I did go to double check it, but unfortunately it's not the exact right, but is working for me. So and now I'm going to show you how to link this sheet to here like a hyperlink like. For that one I already you can write down here, but I'm going to use a copy paste this one, so it's easy for me to copy paste. Otherwise I had to type it on again and again. So problem. If you followed my previous video, you can find it. I already created how to like that name tag, everything. You can find how to create the name like that. Everything you can find it there. Hyperlink and name table. You can find the name table. That's the name table in here. That's the name table. And mention name table 9, not a 9. Sorry, it's to be here. And here this one also I'm going to do here. So and okay, it's saying formula corrected on we found typo. So okay, that means in here, so I didn't delete that one. I have to use it, 2 more brackets. Okay, it will automatically come to here. So for example, I'm going to show it to you. So if you select it in here, drop down, it's getting error message. For that one, you have to change it here. Okay, 1 second, right click, and here, this part, you have to change it like a less than 1, like that. The hyperlink part, you can Google it, and I'll attach the link in description how to like hyperlink, everything like that. So I just doing part of how to match, not the exact match, but near to match like that, not the exact match like that. So that can, that the type of link. If in for that one, I just link to this one, this hyperlink, how to hyperlink this page. I'm going to link to description, so more you can get the hyperlink address in here. For, and now let's try this one. So now it's okay, it's get 0. Okay, sun finance. Okay, and this one, why is 0? Industrial SPR. Okay, industrial, and I already saw that name in here, industrial. I have to double check it is working or not. Okay, industrial SPSL and PSC. Okay, so okay, now I'm going to, I have to delete like that now. It's gonna be okay. It's called not the exact match. So anything start with the finance, automatically point out to this finance, get a result. For that one, I had to delete manually. So far I didn't get a. Okay, now it's okay, clear. Now it look clear. So I just remove everything in here. Not a remove. I just it's already recall. We don't need the data for there, just that heading financial like. Okay, now I can shortlist my investment companies. Okay, I found it in here, one error missing, bonds electric. So I had to go double check it why it's coming error. Maybe by mistake not there. In here, for now currently total I think 320 or 310 company listed. Unfortunately in here I get in live data from, where is it? I'm getting live data from this website, investing.equity Sri Lanka, like that. So they are not listed all the companies in here. So I think 5, maybe 10 companies missing from there. Yeah, 900 291 90 290 companies there, 290 companies there. I think 10, not a 10, 20 companies are missing there. So that's why it's getting like that. For that one, so I not worry about that one. I'm not going to list it all the companies for that one shortly. Okay, looking good. Let's try this one. It is working or in finance PLC. Or in finance PLC. 18. I don't want not dividend. And this one or in finance maybe it's x and this one is y, no n, like that. That's why it's coming the same price. It's not exact math. It's like a partially. If you start with the first part is okay, it's gonna get the result. Okay.